Hi everyone. So today we will explain unit of measurement and how to deal with different unit of measurements and how to convert from unit measurement to smaller one or to a greater one. So we will introduce first this table. We will give this table of units of measurement, difference between different units of measurement, the standard one. Okay, and below in this table, we will have and explain and give the prefix commonly used to write multiples of unit of measurements in words. Okay, so like we have kilo, it is very familiar for us. Okay, so kilo, like when we compare it to the unit, it is equal to 1,000, or it is equivalent to 10 power 3. 1,000 equal to 10 power 3. Okay, so like we have, okay, we have below kilo all the units which are smaller than kilo, like milli, micro, nano, and with the prefix, okay, commonly used. Okay, nano, pico, femto, atto, zepto, and yocto. When normally the units which that are smaller than kilo, normally almost the most of these units end by O, and the greater than kilo, so like kilo, greater than kilo, we have mega. It is equal to 10 power 6 of the unit, or it is equal to 10 power 3 of the kilo. Giga, tera, peta, exa, zeta, and iota with big letters. Okay, so normally the units of measurements which that are greater than kilo and by a. Okay, and by a as words. Okay, so i I tried to have a small explanation of this table using this okay, axis. Normally here we are in the unit measurement, like a gram, like meter, like liter, like watt, like joule, like volt, like ampere, like anything else. Okay, and we have on the right, okay, like milli, nano, micro, nano, pico, femto, atto, etc. And we have on the left kilo, mega, giga, theta, pera, exa, zeta, and iota. Okay, normally we should know that if we are moving from, okay, we are moving from left to right, we should multiply. And if we are moving from right to left, we should divide. Okay, when we are moving from right to left, it means that we are moving from a smaller unit of measurement to a bigger one. Okay, so like from milli to kilo. So we are moving like two. Okay, we are moving here two step to the left. 2 steps to the left, so we should divide, okay, by 10. Each step is equal to 10 minus 3 here, okay? So we have 2 steps, so 10 minus, so we should divide 10 minus 3, then dividing by 10 minus 3 for the second time. So we can explain that by, it is equivalent to dividing the number but by 10 minus 3 power 2, because we are moving 2 step, 2 unit measurement to the left. So it is equal, like we divide the number by 10 minus 6, because we have here 10 minus 3 squared, so 10 minus 6. Okay, like we have here. So from milli to kilo, it is like we divide the number by 10, or we multiply, sorry, or we divide by 10 power 6, or we multiply by 10 minus 10 power 6. So like as we see here, multiplying by 10 minus 3, it is equivalent to dividing by 10 power 3. Okay, okay, so very easy. So let's have a numerical example. For example, complete to convert 7.2 kiloliter. Normally kilo, we are here, we are using the unit of measurement kilo to and to liter. Okay, from kiloliter to liter. So liter is for us the, okay, it is the start point for us, like here on the red cross. Okay, normally we want to move from kilo to liter. Kilo, we are here to liter, so we are moving from left to right 1 step, left to right, so left to right we multiply 1 step, so it is equivalent to 10 power 3. Okay, 10 power 3, it is equal to 1000, so 7.27, okay, 0.2. We multiply it by 10 power 3, so we can move the 3 digits to the right. 3 digits to the right, 1, 2, and 3. So the point here is free. We can delete it, cancel it, and we add for these empty digits zeros. So we obtain 7,200 liter, or we can tap it, use the calculator to obtain 7,200 liter. Here, for example, 84 microliter. Micro, so we are here. Okay, microliter, we are here, so we will move to have the equivalent quantity on liter. So standard, we want to move to this point, so we will move 2 steps to the left. We should divide by 10, okay, 10 power 2, 10 power 3, okay, power 2. Okay, so 10 we divided by 10 power 6, or we multiply by 10 minus 6. Okay, dividing by 10 power 6, or we multiply by 10 exponent minus 6 equivalent. We have here 2 different operations which are equivalent. Okay, so it's very easy, like 10 minus 6, so we have 84 as integer, we don't have a comma, we can add comma here to on the right, and 10 minus 6, so we move the point to the left 6 digits, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. We put a comma point here, so normally we have 0 and 0 on the empty digits, so we obtain 0.000 zeros 84. Okay, 0.4084 liter. Okay, it's very easy to complete the whole exercise alone. We have here the solution of the exercise 2 and the exercise 3. Okay, normally here in the exercise number 12, the average distance from Earth to Sun is 149.5 gigameters. Convert the measurement to tetrameters. We are in the giga. We want to move to convert the measurement to tetra. Okay, giga, tetra. So we are in the giga. We want to move to tetra. So we want to move to the right. So we want to divide. Okay, one step. So it is equivalent to 10 power 3. So we divide by 10 power 3, or we multiply by 10 minus exponent minus 3. Okay, so it is very easy. We can, like here, 7 point, like here, so 149.5 times 10 minus 3. Okay, so we can move the point three digits to the left, 1 2 and 3. We will obtain 0.1495 tetra meters. Okay, 90, okay, 5. Okay, very good. And we can use the same steps and follow the same strategy to obtain the solutions of the exercise 13 and 14. When we move to the exercise 15, we remark that the standard unit of measurement for digital information is kilobyte, and dealing with this kind of a measurement unit is different from that we have already explained. When we use digital information, when we use byte, kilobyte, and the family of bytes, so normally we should know that the step for us is 2 power 10 and not 10 power 3. Okay, 2, like here, kilo to byte. Okay, we have kilobyte to byte. So from kilo to byte, normally we should multiply by 10 power 3. But when we deal with digital information, when we use digital information, when we have bytes in our expressions, we should adopt this method. So 1 kilobyte equal 2 power 10. So the step for us is 2 power 10, like I plot like I will explain in this graph, in this axis, when we have byte. So normally the step is for us like 2 power 10. Okay, and moving from left to right, like we see here. Okay, so we multiply, and moving from right to left, we divide, or we multiply by exponent, negative exponent. Okay, so it is easy, like we have here 1 giga, 2 mega. 1 gigabyte to megabyte. So we are here in gigabytes. We want to move to megabyte. So from left to right, so we multiply by one step. So we multiply by 2 power 10. So equal to 1 power times 2 power 10 kilobytes. Okay, 2 power 10, it is equivalent to 1024 kilobytes. Okay, and we can see from 1 giga to kilobyte. We are here in gigabytes. We want to move to kilobyte. So we move from left to right, two step, one and two step to obtain kilobyte. So normally two step, it is equivalent to multiply the number that we have by 2 power 10 squared, because we have two steps squared. So 2 power 10 squared, or it is equivalent to 2 power 20, are equivalent to multiply the number by 1024 squared, etc. And in the next steps, we can use the calculator to complete to compute what we want to have. Moving to the measurement of time, we should know that the measurement of time also, like the digital information, is slightly different, or is different, radically different from the unit measurement, standard unit measurement that we use, because we have like a day. We have in the day we have 24 hours. In each hour we have 60 minutes, and each minute we have 60 seconds. Normally, the measurement of unit of time bigger than day, we have week, then we have fortnight, we have the year, we have the decade, we have century and millennium. Normally, it is different. We have here the scales are radically different. Okay, like millennium to century to decade to year, we can multiply each step by 10. So like we see here, millennium, it is equal to 10 centuries, and 1 century is 10 decades, and 1 decade, it is equal to 10 years, like we have in the table here. And we have, like we see, the millennium to year, we multiply by 10, by 10, by 10, so it is equal to 1,000 years. Okay, millennium, it's 1,000 years. Century, it is equal to 100 years, and the decade, it is equal to 10 years. What about the year? Year, normally, it is equal to 365 days, but we have a leap year. In the leap year, we have 366 days. Okay, what about the fortnight? Fortnight, it is equal to 2 weeks. And 1 hour, like we say, in the day, we have 24 hours, etc. In the same orientation, we can multiply, and we can from moving from measurement unit of measurement of time, from left to right, we multiply. From right to left, we divide. Okay, we divide by now the number that we have in this what we have. Like in the exercise one, convert the following times. Okay, like part A, 2.9 seconds to milliseconds. So normally here we have seconds, we have milliseconds, we are in the same unit. So second to millisecond, we don't use this X. We use the converting axis, the first one, because we have millisecond. So we have millisecond here, and we want to move to second normally. Okay, we want to move from second to millisecond. So we are in the second, we are in the red cross here, we want to move to millisecond. So we move from left to right, we multiply by one step, 10 power 3, so by 10 power 3. Okay, millisecond, like 2 by 10 power 3, so it is equal to 2,000 milliseconds. 730 microseconds to milliseconds. Normally here we have seconds and seconds. We are in the same family, same unit. Second by micro to milli. So micro to milli, in the same way, we use the same axis, micro to milli. So we want to move one step from right to left. So we multiply, we divide by 10 power 3, or we multiply by 10 power minus 3. Okay, so we have the point here. We can move it 3 digits to the right. To the right. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. We can put the point here. We can put 0 in the right and the left hand side of the point. We obtain 0.73, etc. So like we use the same rules in the following. Okay, to complete the exercises, and you can have as homework the rest of the exercises that we have in our textbook. Thank you for listening. I'm waiting for any of your questions. Bye bye.